all that evolution has come down to people liking IShowSpeed.
Your 15-year-old or 14-year-old or 10-year-old ass can't know about this world so fast. ठीक है?
कि wealth के हिसाब से of course there would be a spectrum. Wealth is equally proportional to the reduction of generation gap.
Yes.
So if you get more wealth, reduction हो जाता है. Right, hey everyone, welcome back to the 36th episode of the Double Bond podcast. We are wearing the same
I was about to say the
t-shirt
same point.
since a month for you guys.
Yeah.
But trust me, Anyways, today we are here to talk about the one thing that has been worrying each of your children, if you have children, each of you guys as teenagers, as youth people, generation gaps. Because why the fuck not?
Because it takes a lot of time for you to convince your father or mother to go out on a cafe date with your boyfriend who you have told as a friend.
तू गे?
अरे मैं मेरे बारे में नहीं बोल रहा यार, मैं लड़कियों के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. शॉर्ट बनाऊंगा तो लड़कियां ऑडियंस भी आएंगी फाइनली, थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट.
मैं डर गया था मेरे का बॉयफ्रेंड.
अरे मेरे बारे में.
Okay, so what would you say is the biggest point or the biggest factor in generation gaps as a teenager in 2025, a person in 20s in 2025?
We can divide it into different levels. First, सोशल लाइफ एडवाइजेस जो जनरेशन गैप में बहुत वेरिड हो जाते हैं. सेकंड स्टडीज, ठीक है, करियर एडवाइजेस, करियर ग्रोथ के मींस बहुत डाइवर्सिफाई हो जाते हैं. एंड सेंसिबिलिटी ऑन वर्ल्ड्स बहुत डाइवर्सिफाई हो जाता है. तो बेसिकली दीज आर थ्री थिंग्स जहां जनरेशन गैप विल अफेक्ट यू द मोस्ट. Technology is a completely different thing. Okay. That is more grounded and wouldn't really affect the elder people these days, because at the age of 40 to 50, now it won't. That time, yeah. ठीक है. So yeah, so what do you think about the social life aspect जो generation gap की वजह से बहुत diversify हो चुका है?
Generation gap के हिसाब से I'd say we are better off understanding compared to, say, I would take 3 generations behind me, my dad, my grandfather and myself. उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो I would say I would be able to understand. Maybe it's because of the advent of social media, maybe it's because of us being introverts, extroverts, whatnot. हमें वो समझ है कि एक बंदा अगर ऐसे सोचता है तो वो क्यों सोचता है. We don't just go to a random cousin's wedding and be like कि इसने ये क्यों पहना. That the previous generation would do, and the previous to previous generation would do to an extreme level. जहाँ पे there would be an uncle coming to your father's house and he would be like कि ये लो बेटी तैयार. I mean,
what the fuck?
You get what I mean? You have this opportunity of marrying your son with this friend's daughter or something. Why would you listen to some uncle? Exactly. तुम्हारी लाइफ जी रहे हो, तुम्हारी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड हो सकती है. जनरेशन के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ. Some girl who you would have given dairy milk or something. तब की बात है. अब की बात तो है नहीं. अब तो छोड़ ही दो, मतलब बात ना ही करो तो ठीक है. बट उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो आई वुड से द बिगेस्ट प्लस पॉइंट और द बिगेस्ट वेरिएबल टू द जनरेशन गैप इक्वेशन इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी kids have compared to our grandparents or our parents. जहाँ पे you start wondering कि एक random night मुझे एक thought आता है कि what do you think are the traits you got of your mother, and what are the traits you got of your father? What do you think they got from their parents equally, and what transcended to you as a child? Right. And this sort of thinking जो macro lens पे सोचा जाता है, that I don't think they had back then. So उस हिसाब से generational gap or the social like inclusivity or exclusivity, whatever you may call it, has increased.
Okay.
Would you say it's good? Would you say that your grandfather was more worried about his pension schemes than some random ass guy called Elon Musk driving electric cars? Yes. I would like that life more than this life.
Okay.
Because एक sense of peace था. एक sense of I know what I'm doing. I just have to do this from A to B day.
Okay.
A to B time. X to Y years. Get married. Have a couple of children. Have a settled life. Try to get a settled life. हाँ, the incomes were different. Would you say that was better or this was better? Because now you know a guy with a Porsche can crash into your wife.
Okay.
Write a essay. Get out of the situation. Back then there were bullet cuts.
Right. Okay. Same question. Same relatable question. Okay. All the thing you just said now is about a social life perspective.
Yeah.
Personal experiences say, have your parents or any of the elders which you know till now in the same age bracket or more, okay, have given you advices and they have worked, which you followed and then they have worked to your favor or doubled back down?
एक है जो ये advices मिलते हैं हमें as teenagers, as generation gap, जो भी हो, जो मिलते हैं एडवाइसेस वो मेनली होते हैं स्टडीज करियर इन सब के बारे में. तो आई कैन नॉट टेल यू इफ दे हैव वर्कड इन वेरी लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ केसेस. इन द केसेस ऑफ लाइक कि तुम गलत रास्ते पे जा रहे हो, ड्रिंकिंग, स्मोकिंग, रिलेशनशिप्स, LSD basically, love, sex, धोखा, all those cases I would say I am better off listening to my dad's advice to stay away from all of this than to get into it and get addicted to it. So yeah, in that case I would say yes, it does work.
So basically you're telling.
But important point is अपने पापा का सुनो, दूसरों के पापा का वो
they don't know
रहेंगे. Exactly. So you don't have to listen to someone else's father.
Probably the only place where you would want to listen to someone else's father or
would be in a marriage, like
no
ससुर का सुनो यार.
No, I mean like if you have to take anything seriously of another person's father or another uncle, same age bracket of your parent, probably a career advice maybe, nothing more than that.
No, that gets toxic.
No, toxic के बारे में नहीं है. For example, you know, whatever field I want to pursue, personally my father's from a different background of studies. He has done MBA and all that. उनका different path था, मेरा CSE है, मेरा different path है. So if I have to take an advice, I can't take an advice from my father.
No,
he will probably suggest another person who is in my field.
True, but that also gets toxic after a point, because CS people will never understand this. But the amount of hype you guys have in the current generation, जो कि हमारी मम्मियाँ या हमारी आंटियाँ, फूफियाँ, whatever, they all know कि भाई कंप्यूटर चल रहा है, बच्चा कंप्यूटर पढ़ रहा है, तरक्की करेगा. वो हाइप मैकेनिकल या इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर्स को नहीं है. तो if you go to a person and say you have to take this example, जब तू 12th खत्म करके कॉलेज में जा रहा था, of course your dad not being in that background, he would have asked around to people saying कि CS अच्छा है या मैकेनिकल या इलेक्ट्रिकल, करेक्ट? तब वाला केस ले, तब वाले केस में जब अंकल ने पूछा होगा लोगों से, तो there can be a lot of intrusive people with intrusive thoughts who get in and they are like, नहीं यार ये नहीं चलेगा, वो चलेगा, ये चलेगा. Why? Instead listen to your dad. If he knows, he knows. He can give you his friend who's like very close to him. Then it makes sense. Other than that, I wouldn't say advice is advice. Anyone can give it.
Okay.
We have given it. Do you listen?
मजा आ रहा है? पैसे देके वो वाले मेंबरशिप ले लेते हो लेकिन फ्री वाला सब्सक्राइब बटन नहीं दबाते ना। समझ में आ रहा है भाई, सब्सक्राइब करते रहो और ऐसा कंटेंट बनाएंगे।
What do you think how much of a generational gap is in the love life? For example,
Oh, a lot.
Acceptable.
King lot.
भाई let's deep down on this topic because
भाई जो शादी के पहले होना चाहिए, जो शादी के बाद होना चाहिए था, वो पहले हो रहा
है। And do you think
और एक बार नहीं हो रहा, और एक ही लड़की के साथ नहीं हो रहा, लड़के या लड़की के साथ, क्रॉस जेंडर्स, क्रॉस टाइम, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. But I feel like old school love deserves what it is in this current generation.
Current generation में old school love work करने के
chances बहुत कम है. Very rare. If you say you're going to stay committed with this person, you will have to stay ready to accept whatever they say. And if you're going to just not do that, then what's the point? So उस हिसाब से, see, the whole point is old school love has been perfectly portrayed in Shershah. Such a simple movie. Of course, it's related to Kargil and warfare and Fauji hota hai. But when Kiara Advani comes into the picture, you know, when she picks up the phone, she has to keep down the phone because her father might not. Those are the simple things that our parents' generation experienced, which have carried on till our generation. That's 4 generations. How? It shouldn't have. That's why it has this like rated status. कि old school love जिनको होता है वो कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाता है. Right. Whereas these days, you know, these people.
We have talked about solely these topics. You can go watch it there.
Yeah. I mean, क्या हो रहा है यार?
I mean, like, to be
मैंने
honest,
तुझे याद है, मैंने एक दिन कॉल किया था, मैंने बोला था कि मिडीवल टाइम में लोग लैंड, राजकुमारियां, इवन क्रॉस आल्सो, ladies used to fight for men used to fight for women, men used to fight for land. There was so much fighting going on, so much warfare. Ab you're making a game out of love. It has all that evolution of, I don't know, fucking 5,000 years come down to. All that evolution has come down to people liking IShowSpeed. Is he the type of person who you would want to give your son a status, जो हमने पिछले एपिसोड में बात की थी, कि would IShowSpeed get a history book chapter? Would you want to teach your son about IShowSpeed?
I mean, he's not doing anything good.
He's not doing anything bad also.
But nothing practically productive, right?
Exactly. So, when we learn about people, greats, we learn about them and we say, okay, they were at their times. तब हमें कुछ great दिखता है, तभी हम पढ़ते हैं. Our generation is making love into a joke. So उस हिसाब से the generational gap which was then, forget our grandparents, our parents' time, that is insanely higher. So that whole equation goes out of the box.
Okay, fine. A question. For all the kids who are probably watching this video expecting you to go to your parents and show this video and tell कि देखो यार इन लोगों ने ऐसा बोला है and your parents should listen to that. Do you think parents putting restrictions on kids till an age is right or wrong?
It's right.
Right. Okay. Why?
It is right because you don't know what you are getting yourself into at an age of 10. When people say that toffee मत लो किसी से, तुम्हें नहीं पता, तुम्हें सिर्फ टॉफी दिखती है.
Right.
Same thing with social media, same thing with restrictions. That person is more than 3 times your age. Of course he's putting the right mind into you. Of course he's giving you the restrictions because he knows when you have to blossom, when you have to open yourself to all of this. Need not be when you're 15, need not be when you're 20. That person knows. You don't.
Right.
So if you have restrictions, it's better for you as a person than to have unrestricted parents की जिनको पढ़ी नहीं है and जो कि ये सब ज्ञान मतलब देते ही नहीं है अपने बच्चों को. You'd rather be in the first case than the second.
And one more thing. How much do you think money affects generational gap? Or money affects the person who is trying to update and fix the generational gap? Because if you see, most of the times जब rich लोग होते हैं, they just tend to be a bit careless about their kids most of the times. I'm not talking about the persons who were middle class or poor who came to rich. ठीक है, उनके
generational wealth.
हाँ, generational wealth जो बहुत times है, ठीक है, तू बहुत बार गया होगा कि like you know, for example मैं किसी for example हमारे दोस्त थे, ठीक है, अमीर दोस्त है, ठीक है, उनके घर पे जाते हैं, their parents don't care, they're like हाँ कुछ भी कर ले and all that. Is it because money is killing the generational wealth, or is it increasing the increasing the generational gap or killing the generational gap? What do you think? If you see generally Instagram में तू ये देखा होगा पापा की परी, ठीक है,
okay,
they don't have so much brain, they are they just go party and all.
नहीं, see, socially I'd say generational gap बढ़ रही है, ठीक है, wherein there is a person, I'm pretty sure you have seen this one video of this girl who has blocked her father on Insta because her father said something very basic कि ऐसे कपड़े क्यों पहने हो and all of that. He's your father.
She was making a video. I know her.
You know the video which I'm talking about. And in those sort of scenarios, social media के basis पे mainly, I would say the generational gap increases. But as individuals, money decreases the the generational gap.
Okay.
Because when I talk about our friend whose mother can accept that guys and girls and girls can hold hands. But हम दोनों के केस में हम बाहर जाके नहीं बोल सकते कि ऐसे चलता है. We don't have that sort of. I can't show an 18+ movie to my parents. But knowing that I have some ethics in me which have come through the lack of money at one point of time in my life, which creates the generational. I don't know if it makes sense, but तेरे पास एक टाइम पे पैसा नहीं था, उस हिसाब से तेरे एथिक्स बने और उन एथिक्स की वजह से तू आज उनको 18+ मूवी नहीं दिखा सकता. बट इसी केस में से इवन अ मिडिल क्लास पर्सन हु इज वेल्दी रिच नाउ और जनरेशनल वेल्थ वाला बंदा, उसके पेरेंट्स विल अलाउ ऑल ऑफ दिस. 18+ हो, चाहे मेरा दोस्त हो जिसने 50 Shades of Grey अपने मम्मी के साथ देखे, बोले क्या like हम नहीं देख सकते because ethics is one thing that stops us from showing all of these. I can't show a fucking Bridgerton to my mother. I know the story is good, the things are good, but कितना है?
No भाई.
Exactly. So that see exactly हमें डर है generational wealth वाले लोगों को या अमीर बाप के बिगड़े हुए औलादों को डर नहीं है. उनको पता है पैसा लौट के उन्हीं के पास आने वाला है. जनरेशनल वेल्थ है, ठीक है, उनको पता है. तो उनके हिसाब से द जनरेशनल गैप डजंट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज our friend's mother can talk to him about all of this. I can't go to my mom or you can't go to your mom and talk about guys holding hands. Fuck. We live in 2010 right now. Technically. Culturally in our house we live in 2010. जहाँ पे अभी तक प्यार नॉर्मल है. ऐसे one night stand कुछ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता.
And arranged marriage is still an option.
Yeah, whatever. But
that literally shows how we are at right now. Because तू लिटरली जाके कोई भी बंदा रोड पे जाके बैंगलोर में पूछेगा या दिल्ली में पूछेगा तू अरेंज मैरिज करेगी या करेगा, अरे पागल है क्या,
वही
ऐसे बोल।
तो दैट होल पॉइंट इज कि वेल्थ के हिसाब से ऑफ कोर्स देयर वुड बी अ स्पेक्ट्रम. वेल्थ इज इक्वली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द रिडक्शन ऑफ जनरेशन गैप.
यस.
सो इफ यू गेट मोर वेल्थ, रिडक्शन हो जाता है.
So do you say that the reduction is carelessness or just updating your mindset?
It's updating.
Okay.
It's not carelessness because they, if you remember, that auntie knows what her son is doing. My mom doesn't know what I am doing as engineer.
But okay, fine.
That's updation.
Okay.
Okay, that's updation. But in the social media terms, it's terrible because you don't know what your daughter is doing and she has kept you blocked. So what's the point? You know, the generation gap increases.
At the same time, there's another side also we can tell because the Porsche case which you told, ठीक है, वो updating नहीं है, वो बस carelessness है.
हाँ, exactly.
Exceptions exist everywhere.
That's the social cause.
So do you think that because of parents like that, this generational gap is getting, this wealth to proportional of reduction of generational gap due to such parents is getting criticized? Because right now, because मेरे मन में एक question है, मेरे mind में एक question है. Instead of directly telling कि updating है, I have a question now. Is it updating or carelessness because of such parents?
It is because of such parents, yes. They want to offer wealth to their children. Fair enough.
But they just don't put a limit to it.
They don't put a limit to it, which is wrong ethically. Because तुम्हारा बच्चा 17 साल के एज पे कहीं पे भी जाके पी रहा है, एक तो 17 साल
दे कौन रहा है उसे दारू?
Exactly. And the point is generational gap रहेगा. I'm not saying कि हमारे दोस्त जो रिच है उसकी मम्मी उसको डांटती नहीं होगी, वो तो होगा, ठीक है. जब उसके मार्क्स कमाएंगे उसकी मम्मी डांटेगी, उसकी मम्मी नहीं डांटेगी, ऐसा होगा नहीं. वो जनरेशनल गैप रहेगी. बट इन दोज केसेस द जनरेशनल गैप इन वेल्थ would be exactly the proportionality will stay. Because I wouldn't say like, that again comes to updation. My like say let's take a maid, her mindset would be different from a middle class woman's mindset and a rich woman's mindset. So in these three places, say each of them have children, the generational gap would be immense in all three cases. And there would be an incline or a decline on wherever the generation gap is. So the whole point of wealth, I don't know, rahega, generational gap rahega.
Okay, coming on to our third segment, which I've told, career. Do you think careers में generational gap का कोई role play होता है?
As a person or as an individual who is turning 20 this year, I'd say it shouldn't.
Okay.
Because I met this one person recently. Okay, he's one of my father's friends, and he said कि अगर मेरा जूनियर कॉलेज का एक हेड है कंपनी में और मैं उस कंपनी में काम करता हूँ, आई शुड रिस्पेक्ट द पोजीशन मोर देन द पर्सन और हिज एज. Considering Speed's example or Lamine Yamal, they are lesser than us in age, but still they are doing something in their life. They are getting to somewhere.
They are already somewhere.
Exactly. We haven't crossed that limit yet. So उस हिसाब से I wouldn't say career पे generational gap really matters.
And to be honest, जितना तुम career advice लो अपने elder से उतना अच्छा है.
Elders as in like your family.
Anybody who is relating to your field.
हाँ ठीक है, relating to your field, yes.
And your family. I'll tell you something. In two fields, experience matters the most. That is one. क्या?
cut it out.
That is one, politics, and second, career.
Okay, yeah, it's the same. Career भी politics हो सकता है.
Okay, I mean, I always think of politics as another shithole world. ठीक है, but whatever. ठीक है. So yeah, basically, जितना तुम अपना career advice अपने elders, parents, whoever it is, the right people you trust से लोगे, तब तक you will be in safe hands. Sometimes their methods can be very very rough and aggressive, but balance it maybe depends on your life.
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि updation is the necessity to reduce the generation gap.
Yes, correct. That is the only way.
Exactly, because our parents have been beaten in their school, and because slowly it was an issue that adults are beating children in the form of education. ये अगर हमें पता नहीं होता तो ये अभी तक चल रहा होता, but because हम update हो रहे constantly, so we know that it's a problem and we should stop it. So in that case, generation gap होना चाहिए and नहीं भी होना चाहिए. So उस हिसाब से I'd say देखो यार, generation gap होगा, ठीक है, हमारे बच्चे होंगे तब भी होगा, तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे तब भी होगा, but बस यार सुन लिया करो, ठीक है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा don't go against someone who you care about and who is elder to you in a way. If you do decide to go against them, God can't save you. I mean,
and plus, as we are coming to the end of this video, I'll tell this is to all the kids who are at least not 18, because 18 के बाद technically government wise या legally
you're adults.
You're an adult, तब you probably can question your parents. ठीक है, we won't stop you, but until you're 18 at least, just listen to your parents. ठीक है, your 15-year-old or 14-year-old or 10-year-old ass can't know about this world so fast. ठीक है, जो फोन तो अपने हाथ में पकड़े हो शायद तुझे पढ़ा सकता है, क्लेवर बना सकता है, लेकिन मैच्योर नहीं बना सकता जो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी हैं. So shut your ass until you're 18 and listen to your parents.
And with that, we have the 36th episode. I hope you enjoyed. Snacks के साथ खा रहे होंगे, I mean देख रहे होंगे तो please subscribe करते जाना, like करते जाना, and go follow us on Insta. Oh my God.
Yeah, actually, please.
Until then, we'll see you in the next week or the coming weeks in the future. Har Friday. Stay tuned. Peace off.
Fuck off.